Welcome to 4920 Los Feliz Boulevard in the heart of Los Feliz in Los Angeles, California. We're going to start in the kitchen, where we all seem to spend a lot of time these days. This is an open kitchen. It's open to the dining room. As you'll see, we're panning around. There's the back door. This is a bar, and it overlooks the dining room, so it's very easy for entertaining, for serving, and it's a huge dining room as well, so it really helps to open the space very nicely.
Is the spacious living room. Very lovely, lots of windows and light. Here's the wonderful backyard. That is also very spacious with a TV outside. Very light and airy, and it's covered, and then you go into the backyard and there's a nice little covered space and plenty of room. There's a lemon tree, I believe, and then there's an orange tree. So this is their nice open backyard. If you walk down these steps, you go to this area, which goes up to the house, which goes straight into the kitchen, and this is how you get from the garage to the house. You come here, or you could go this way. Here are the two air units. I don't know what else to call them, but this one is for the lower level and this one's for the upper level, so they do have two different units. The lovely living room again. The very nice half bath that they have in the home right as you walk in. Here's a little closet, handy little dandy closet here. Here's the living room, very spacious again, lots of windows and light, which, as we all know, being quarantined is very nice.
My favorite room now. This is the living room. It's a very private room, but really big, large. You can see fireplace, which is gas or wood burning. And then, especially for our friends in Houston, let's show you this. Come out here. A view of the quintessential
Griffith Observatory.
Griffith Observatory at the top right there.
Where my finger is.
And across from us is the rest of Los Feliz, and Griffith Park is over there as well. We Californians can't go to Griffith Park now because everything's been shut down.
Hi. Here is one spacious bathroom, full bath, with a nice little bedroom, nice closet, and a nice little sitting area for you just to kind of enjoy yourself and relax. Now we're going into the next bedroom. Again, nice closet, nice bed, wonderful view of the Griffith Observatory out there. And you can see it from here. It is right there. That is the Griffith Observatory. Nice little full bath again. Nice shower.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. So the master is really oversized. You have a little study nook here. You have two walk-in closets, which for California, let alone Los Angeles, is amazing. Large area. The rest of the time you can have a sitting area here to watch TV. Beautiful view out the front of the observatory, and then out the back, you feel like you're in a tree house.
It on through. This is the bathroom. Nice, big, and open. You can also see the Griff of Observatory from here, right there. Boop.
So every room has a
Yeah.
sunbath. And the laundry's right there.
Laundry is also upstairs.
Well, it's very important because it's very nice to have a laundry upstairs.
That's true.
You do all the work.
Here's the big kitchen that has plenty of space and light and room, lots of storage, very many cabinets. Here's the nice dining room. Very pretty, very open, a lot of sunlight, very spacious, you know. This house is all about space. That should be the theme of this house.
This house is all about space. Lots and lots of open spaces. And also private spaces for, private when we need it. We can't all be in the same room. Someone's doing schoolwork, or someone's doing real work, or someone's doing on a phone call. At any rate, it's just nice to have a house where there are some private areas where everyone can do their own work without having a TV in the same room or just across the counter from them. This again shows the den leading into the dining room. And as we're going to turn around and show one more shot of that lovely patio. The sliding doors from the den go right out to the covered patio. And then we're going to go back through to the front of the home, to the entryway, showing those beautiful doors. And here we are again in the living room as we are about to end our tour. This is a lovely space, large enough for any family gathering or any kind of entertainment gathering. You can see the front opens onto the front of the home. I'm opening the front door here, going out on the front porch to show you the observatory one last time. Again, this is a lovely, lovely home, great for entertaining family and friends. And here we are again. Call me if you have any questions.